Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Nereyda and I love sharing everyday hair tutorials with you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a super simple ponytail that went semi-viral on my TikTok, so I thought that I would go ahead and share it here. So let's get started. Start off by splitting your hair into 2 equal sections, and then you're going to put those sections into ponytails. Make a gap in the ponytail, and then you're going to flip the hair under and through. Now you're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Now you're going to pull one ponytail through the gap of another one. Fluff it up to add some texture, and you're all done. And that is it for today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Also share with other beauties so they can go ahead and join our community and start to do really super easy hair tutorials or hairstyles. Also, I will be leaving the links to all of my social channels down below, as well as all of my favorite products. And until next time, you guys, bye!